Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this additional of the weekend edition. Yes, Saturday, December the 9th, 2023. It's actually today, Sunday, December the 10th, 2023. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. Two puzzles remain, the 4 stars Sudoku. No. It's a jigsaw Sudoku. 4 stars jigsaw Sudoku. Tectonic. And this one you are interested. It's the binary puzzle. Yes, the binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number 7595. Yeah. Let me position the camera first. Having troubles with the tripod. Well. How about this then? Well, alright. This will be number 7595. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 17. Should be an easy one. 17 printed digits. It's a, I believe, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Number 1, here no, there no. Number 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. I know between an O and a 1. With 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order, so we have the first first one, second one, third one, fourth one. So this box should be no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the 1s comes an O, between the 1s comes an O. Between the 1s comes an O. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the O's come, 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Finish in 3 minutes. Well, we solve it again without comparing. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle in this additional. Until then, bye bye for now.